I was saying that I see Health Swaraj particularly as a space for reclaiming the validity of experience through the richness of stories and narratives. And I was beginning to tell you a small story about my relationship with the very everyday and mundane act of cooking. In my childhood, when I was about 12 years old, like any good Mallu Catholic girl, I was told that I must be cooking, I should cook, I should know how to cook, especially given the terrible ignominy of the fact that the men in my family were cooking, but I wasn't, so I was taught how to cook. And like a fortunate Mallu Catholic girl, I had the chance to rebel, and I walked out literally and figuratively into the arms of some leftist, progressive, liberal comrades who helped me gain freedom from what they identified as the drudgery of the labor of cooking on an everyday basis. So from my home, I learned how to cook. From my friends, I had the honor of getting the freedom not to cook. But in the process somewhere, both sets of people and me forgot to ask what I felt about cooking really. So in the last 4 years, after particularly challenging personal circumstances and a lot of challenging introspection, I decided to build a room for myself. I was nourished liberally with conversations and listening room and a shoulder from my guru and my guide, Dr. Ritupriya, from Vijayji, from a small set of very close friends and my partner. That enabled me to have the space to reflect on what did I really think about cooking. And I decided to engage with the labor of cooking again. And I discovered that it was extremely pleasurable. I experienced sensual pleasure. I experienced social pleasure. I had the pleasure of caring. I had the pleasure of being creative. Something that neither my family nor my very well-meaning progressive friends actually could help me see. Cutting to a more recent research experience, about 2 years ago I was working in Haryana, and I was working for this international funding agency / think tank, and they were doing a study on change in age at marriage among girls in Haryana. So in the course of my conversations with people about changes in those districts where we were doing the study, I would constantly encounter this refrain about, यहाँ तो awareness नहीं है जी लोगों को. And at one point I couldn't resist asking, like, किस चीज़ के बारे में awareness नहीं है? I come from the city where most of my friends, including myself, are not aware or knowledgeable about farming or agriculture. Does that count as a lack of awareness? Not really. This is not to belittle their experience, but strangely enough, I found some parallels and meeting grounds between mine and theirs. And what was that? I think it was the fact that neither my narrative nor theirs really had any room for honorability, respectability, validity, and I feel that there is a need to reclaim that validity, that honor, that dignity of those narratives. And I'm hoping that's exactly what we will do in Health Swaraj through our research activity. But more importantly, research we are also doing in JNU in our center, and I'm really hoping that we will try to engage with this through stories and through other unconventional methods as well. Not only seeking collaboration with other disciplines, but seeking collaboration with other practices like fiction, through working with artists, through working with designers interested in democratic design, and making a lot of this research knowledge that we are going to produce at Health Swaraj more legible, more understandable, more digestible, and most importantly, very pleasurable.
Thank you, sir. ओवैस जी और विजय जी, आप दोनों के लिए शायद 5 मिनट बचे।
नहीं, मेरा सुझाव है कि ओवैस बोलें, उसके बाद आप दोनों